Ladies, you don't need a boyfriend. What you need is a dependable ride. How about a K4? Why are you still driving that 2008 Rust bucket? Because in this brand new Sportage, you got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capabilities. I'm talking Bluetooth, baby. So you can play whatever podcast, music you want to listen to. You're not going to be subject to terrible auto quality on AM and FM radios. You guys see all these cars right here? All these just new cars? They all got to go. All of them. And because of that, so when I say it's a good deal, just know I argued with my manager 3 times for you to make sure that it's a good deal. Because again, all of them got to go. And I got to feed my super energetic, crazy dog. Burns way too many calories, way too crazy, needs way too much dog food. And you just heard that rattle one too many times. You deserve better. We know it. You know it. But you don't need a new car, right? It's too much. You're trying to stick to a budget. I hear you. I feel you. We got a whole used car inventory of nice, dependable used cars here from different manufacturers and a whole nice certified pre-owned line of all fresh Kias, barely used, 170-point safety inspection, ready for you to rock. So what do you say? New summer, new you? How about this guy right here? New 2023 top trim level Sorento SX Prestige. Call us here, 262-444-5445. We can set up an appointment with sales. Otherwise, take care. Enjoy the nice weather. See you guys soon.